Hey, hello all, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I can see here now we are going to unbox a Realme power bank. Actually, this is a open box delivery, so just they have cleared this box. Actually, I can see because this is a priority product. Actually, it means if you order today, means they will deliver the next day itself. One day delivery product. Okay, just leave that. We can take this power bank outside. You can see here is the Realme Power Bank 3 Pro. Actually, the capacity is 10,000 mAh and it supports up to 33 watt fast charging. It's a dark charge mentioning. And here you can see inside this box 10,000 mAh power bank and one USB cable, one user manual. Okay, these three things they are given, and this is a lithium ion polymer battery type. Here you can see, and there is a dual output ports were there with type C connectivity. Okay guys, let's first we can open this box. Actually, I purchased this product in Flipkart at cost of rupees 1,724 rupees. Actually, I got some discount, nearly 10 to 20 rupees in Flipkart Super Coins. I purchased this product at cost of 1,724 exactly, yeah, 1,724 rupees by deducting some super coins. And okay guys, it's time to it's now time to unbox it. Let's come on. And actually previously I've uploaded a power bank related video also, but it is mAh power bank which previously I've uploaded mAh power bank unboxing video in YouTube. Yeah, let's first open this sticker tag. Yeah, it's a bit slippery. Yeah, finally out here. Now it's time to unbox it up. Let's come on. Wow, here you can see, here is the color I have selected, a yellow color actually, but this color is also is there with the black and yellow, but here you can see I just had chosen a complete yellow with black font colors. Let's check it out. Actually, it looks quite little brighty and glossy color guys. Actually, yellow color, here you can see it looks very stylish. Actually, this yellow color, and here they are given the dual ports. Here you can see next USB, and another side is type C. Okay, output outputs, yeah, 5 volt 2 amp. Here you can see, and here you can see they are given dual port. One is micro USB. I think this seems for output voltage, and this is for charging purpose. They are given type C charging port for this power bank. And here is the battery indicator. I think here you can see there's a 3 dot lights were there, and let's click on it. Here you can see actually 4, 3 is only blinking. You can see the charging. See the charging status here itself, and you can see the battery level also. Actually, there's a 4 lights were there. You can see the battery level and this lights itself. And okay guys, this is the power button. You can see, click means it shows actually 4 lights need to blink, only 3 is only blinking. I need to keep charge actually. Yeah, and okay, this is the Realme power bank 10,000 mAh, and what they have given inside this box. They have given some warning safety tapes, functions. Okay, these are all general things. And backside, okay, it's good. Here is the warranty card they have given. I think it is a 1-year warranty guys. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure how many people will claim warranty for this power bank because the cost is 1,700 only. They will buy new power bank itself better. Yeah, but anyway, it's good warranty card they have provided for this power bank. And after that, they are given a charging cable. You can see you can use this for two-in-one purpose. You can charge your phone, plus you can charge your power bank by connecting this and by giving a power supply. So two-in-one purpose, it's good. And okay guys, regarding this, well, that's all. Actually, this is a very small video regarding this unboxing of a Realme power bank. Just color is very bright guys. Actually, yellow color is, it's look quite beautiful actually. And this is the Realme power bank. Okay, finally we have completed the unboxing also of this power bank. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're having any queries or doubts, just ask in the below comment section. I will reply as soon as possible as I can. And okay guys, I will see you in next video. Bye. See you in next video.